We aim in this life to progress successfully through every stage, and retirement is a very crucial stage in everyone's life. Well, have you ever heard of IRA? We will be telling you in this video today what it is and some things to know about IRAs. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a special savings account in the US designed to help you set aside money for retirement with tax benefits. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. There are also other, less common types of IRAs, such as SEP IRAs and simple IRAs, aimed at self-employed individuals and small businesses. Well, these are the main things you should know about an IRA. But we will be talking in our next video on how to choose the best IRA for yourself. So, to be updated on that, quickly hit the subscribe button below and get updated as soon as we upload it.